Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're about to witness one of the most satisfying car transformations you'll ever see. This vehicle is completely covered in thick dirt, mud, and grime. At first glance, it's hard to believe what color it really is, but by the end of this video, you'll see it transformed into a clean, glossy masterpiece. So sit back, relax, and enjoy every step of this incredible detailing process. As you can see, the car has been through some very rough conditions. Dust, dried mud, and road grime have built up over every surface. The wheels are dirty, the windows are cloudy, and the paint is almost invisible beneath the layers of dirt. It looks like this car hasn't been washed in a very long time. But every great transformation starts with the first step. The detailers begin by giving the car a thorough rinse using a high-pressure washer. This powerful stream of water helps remove loose dirt, sand, and mud before any contact is made with the paint. This is important because it reduces the chance of scratching the surface during the washing process. Even after the first rinse, you can already notice a slight difference. Some of the original paint starts to appear, but there's still plenty of dirt left behind. That's completely normal for a vehicle in this condition. Now it's time for one of the most satisfying parts of the process, the snow foam treatment. A thick layer of rich cleaning foam is sprayed over the entire vehicle. The foam clings to every surface, slowly breaking down stubborn dirt and lifting contaminants away from the paint. Watching the foam slowly slide down the car is incredibly relaxing. While the foam is doing its job, it's loosening years of grime without the need for excessive scrubbing. This helps protect the paint and ensures a safer cleaning process. After allowing the foam to sit for a few minutes, the detailers carefully begin washing the vehicle using soft microfiber wash mitts. Every section is cleaned with patience and precision. They start from the roof and work their way down. This method prevents dirt from being dragged across cleaner areas of the paint. Every movement is gentle, ensuring the finish remains smooth and scratch-free. As more dirt disappears, the true beauty of the vehicle starts to emerge. The black paint begins reflecting light once again, and the difference compared to the beginning is incredible. Next, special attention is given to the wheels. Wheels usually collect the most dirt because of brake dust and road debris. Using dedicated brushes and wheel cleaners, every spoke, rim, and tire is cleaned thoroughly. The transformation is amazing. What once looked dull and dirty now looks fresh and clean. Now the windows receive professional cleaning. Crystal clear glass not only improves the appearance of the vehicle, but also increases visibility and driving safety. The mirrors, trim pieces, door handles, and small details are cleaned carefully. It's often these little areas that make the biggest difference in the final result. The pressure washer returns for another rinse, removing any remaining soap and dirt. Water flows smoothly across the clean paint, revealing a beautiful glossy finish underneath. At this stage, the car already looks dramatically different from when it first arrived, but the detailing process isn't finished yet. The vehicle is carefully dried using soft microfiber towels and powerful air blowers. Drying properly prevents water spots and leaves the paint looking flawless. Slowly, every panel begins to shine. You can now clearly see reflections across the bodywork. The deep black paint has come back to life. This is why professional detailing is so satisfying to watch. It's not just about washing a car, it's about restoring its appearance and bringing it back to its best condition. Every careful movement, every rinse, and every cleaning step contributes to the final result. It's amazing how much dirt can hide the true beauty of a vehicle. Now the finishing touches are applied. The tires receive a dressing that restores their rich black appearance. Exterior trim is refreshed, making the entire vehicle look newer. The final inspection begins. The detailers walk around the car, checking every panel for missed spots and ensuring every surface is perfectly clean. The transformation is nothing short of incredible. Just compare the before and after. What started as a vehicle completely hidden beneath mud and grime has become a clean, glossy, showroom-worthy car. The paint reflects the surroundings beautifully, the wheels sparkle, the windows are crystal clear, and the entire vehicle looks almost brand new. This is why detailing videos are loved by millions of people around the world. Watching dirt disappear and seeing something restored to its original beauty is deeply satisfying. Sometimes all a vehicle needs is proper care, patience, and professional cleaning to completely change its appearance. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing detailing transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next satisfying car restoration video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep your vehicles looking their absolute best. At first glance, this Toyota looks almost unrecognizable. Thick layers of mud cover every inch of the car, hiding its true color. But today, we're about to give it a complete transformation.
요즘 탑도름